Build generational wealth in 5 easy steps. Go to www.madillard.com for more of these financial tips. Imagine you have a CD. Is that CD costing you money? Your certificate of deposit that the bank is asking you to put your $10,000 in? Well, imagine this. You have $10,000 and you invested in the S&P 500, earning you 9% on average annual return, and you let it sit for 20 years. Guess what? Your money's going to grow to be worth $56,000. If you do 50% bond and 50% stock with your 10,000 deposit, you're going to have an average annual return of 6%, earning you $32,000. Let's see how the CD plays out. 10,000 in a CD earning 3%. Well, after 20 years, you're going to have $18,000. That's right. So think about it. Even if you put your money in the S&P 500 and it went down by 50%, you'd have $28,000. That is a lot more than the $18,000 in that safe investment. If you like this tip, make sure you download the free retirement guide and go to www.madillard.com. Share, like, and comment below. Which investment would you choose? The CD, the S&P 500, or 50% bond and stock? Talk to you later.